Hello everyone, this is Nomi Awan and welcome to Nomi Awan's channel. As you know, we have started learning Urdu from English language. So this is the second episode and we are going to learn more sentences of Urdu language. So let's start. First sentence. Promise me. Promise me. In Urdu you will say मुझसे वादा करो, मुझसे वादा करो, मुझसे वादा करो. Promise me, मुझसे वादा करो. So the next sentence, good idea. In Urdu you will say अच्छा ख्याल है, अच्छा ख्याल है. गुड, अच्छा, आइडिया, ख्याल. So you will say good idea in Urdu as अच्छा ख्याल है, अच्छा ख्याल है, अच्छा ख्याल है. Next sentence which we are going to learn is don't lie, don't lie. So in Urdu you will say झूठ मत बोलो, झूठ मत बोलो, झूठ मत बोलो, झूठ मत बोलो. Don't lie, झूठ मत बोलो. Next sentence is tell the truth. In Urdu you will say tell the truth as सच बताओ. Tell the truth, सच बताओ, सच बताओ, सच बताओ, सच, truth, बताओ, tell. So that tell the truth will be translated as सच बताओ. Next sentence which we are going to learn is मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know. The sentence I don't know, you will say मुझे नहीं पता, मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know, मुझे नहीं पता. So next is nothing. In Urdu you will say nothing as कुछ नहीं, कुछ नहीं. Nothing will be translated as कुछ नहीं, कुछ नहीं, nothing, कुछ नहीं. No problem, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. No problem, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. So no problem will be translated as कोई बात नहीं. If you still have not joined our channel, then please click on subscribe button so that you will get more episodes of learning Urdu language from English. Next sentence is it's okay. So in Urdu you will say ठीक है, ठीक है. It's okay, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. Next sentence is come here. Come here in Urdu you will say as यहाँ आओ, यहाँ आओ, यहाँ आओ. Come here, यहाँ आओ. Hope you are enjoying the lesson. Next sentence, go there. So in Urdu you will say go there as वहाँ जाओ, वहाँ जाओ, वहाँ जाओ. Go there, वहाँ जाओ, वहाँ जाओ. Go there. Next sentence is sit down, sit down. In Urdu you will say sit down as बैठ जाओ, बैठ जाओ, बैठ जाओ, बैठ जाओ. In Urdu, you will say sit down as बैठ जाओ. Sit down, बैठ जाओ. Next sentence, stand up. In Urdu, you will say stand up as खड़े हो जाओ. खड़े हो जाओ. Stand up, खड़े हो जाओ. खड़े हो जाओ. The next sentence which we are going to learn is yes, of course. So in Urdu you will say हाँ जी बिल्कुल. हाँ जी बिल्कुल. हाँ जी बिल्कुल. हाँ जी बिल्कुल. Yes, of course. हाँ जी बिल्कुल. So the next sentence which we are going to learn from English to Urdu is, this is the last sentence for today's lesson, which we are going to learn. Sometimes you are unable to understand what the person has said, and you want to said him that please repeat again. So in Urdu, the sentence please repeat again will be said as दोबारा बताओ. दोबारा बताओ. So you will say दोबारा बताओ. दोबारा बताओ. दोबारा बताओ. दोबारा बताओ. So this was the second episode of my Learning Urdu with Nomi Awan series of lessons. Hope you have enjoyed the lesson and you are going to learn Urdu with me well. Thanks for watching my channel. If you haven't subscribed the channel, then please click on subscribe button and also click on like button. Thanks for watching Nomi Awan channel. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.